back to my channel Acing Exam. I am Bhumika Sharma and on this channel I teach you SST and we are preparing for our term 2 examination for class 10. So after viewing the title you must have guessed what the video is gonna be about. So it is how to prepare SST for term 2 7 days marathon. Yes, you gonna prepare your whole syllabus for term 2 of SST in just 7 days. And I, Bhumika Sharma, is gonna help you with the making of timetable for these 7 days. Alright, so before that, just view these steps which you're gonna follow throughout the 7 days in order to prepare well. So the first step is watch the videos of explanation, and I have mentioned the channel also. Okay, and read the chapter thoroughly from your NCERT. This is very mandatory. Do not dare to skip this step. Alright, and the last but not the least step is prepare important terms and perform the test which I provide on my channel. Don't worry, you don't need to search for the links. All the links are already in my description box. Okay, and now this video is not for those who have started preparing and then they need a timetable for them. If you are one of the students who has not started SST at all, they have not even touched the books, they have not even thought about completing the syllabus, then you are on the right place. I'm gonna help you out how to start, where to start, and you gonna prepare for your SST in just 7 days with my help. So without wasting your more time, let me show you the timetable. Before that, after completing the syllabus in 7 days by following these 3 steps, on the 8th day you have to solve the sample paper to test your performance and how much you have learned and how much more you need to learn. Trust me, if you obey all my guidelines, you are not going to miss anything out in your syllabus and you're gonna score very good marks in your board examinations. Just show trust in me. And now let me show you the timetable. So let's get started. So this is the timetable you gotta follow for all these 7 days out. So let's have a look. So on day 1, you have to study lifelines of Indian economy. So you already know the steps in which you want to study all these topics. So you have to give just 2 hours to the chapter and done. You will be well prepared for this chapter in just 1 day, 2 hours. Okay. So on day 2, you guys have to study outcomes of democracy. Alright, on day 3, now the nationalism in India chapter is quite lengthier than all other chapters. So you have to complete this chapter in 2 parts, like in 2 days. So on day 3, you have to just study half of the chapter. That means I have explained this chapter in 4 parts on my channel. So you are gonna watch only 2 parts of it in the day 3. Alright. And it will require just 2.5 hours. No, not the video is of 2.5 hours. The video is quite short, but you guys have to read it from NCERT as well. So that's why. Alright. And then on day 4, you guys have to complete your globalization chapter along with the rest of chapter nationalism in India. Clear? Okay. And on day 5, you have to complete manufacturing industries. And it's gonna require only 2 hours. Alright? And on day 6, you have to study money and credit. It's very simple and very easy chapter. It's gonna require 2 hours only, or maybe less than that. Who knows? Okay? And then last but not the least day, 7th day of your timetable, you have to study political parties. And just because it has a topic national parties of India, it requires like thoda sa zyada cramming in comparison to other topics. So it's gonna require 3 hours or maybe less than that. So this is the whole timetable you have to follow throughout these 7 days and you are done with your term 2 exam. Term 2 syllabus for class 10th. That's it. So wish you luck for this 7 days marathon. Hope you accomplish it very well and pass with flying colors in your marathon. So before leaving, kindly like the video, share it with your classmates and subscribe to my channel. And for important links like for all the playlists of this chapter, of these chapters, kindly go through my description box. You're gonna find all the playlists ready in your hand. So what are you waiting for? Just grab the links, grab your notebook, grab your NCERT and start.